Hello. Okay. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to my stream. So today, I'll cut it short because we have 6 minutes for the news. Today we have NFP data coming up along with our average early earnings. Okay. My main focus will be to the NFP, and here are the possible outcomes I've written out. If the NFP is lower than expected, that is, they're expecting 200K for this month. If it is lower, then the expected goal will be bullish, and I'm expecting that gold will reach this target out. And yeah, if gold is bearish, sorry, if NFP is higher, okay, if it is more than 200K, then definitely gold will be bearish, and for that I am targeting, I think, yeah, these areas. And red 20, yeah, this area. So these are the targets for today. Let's see how what is the data being released today. And I have no open positions yet, and I would recommend each and everyone to, okay, be patient while the news is being released. And if I speak according to my forecast, what I'm expecting, I'm bearish in gold because of the ADP data that have been released on the previous week, sorry, this week on Wednesday. And there is a very hard correlation between ADP data and uh, NFP. So ADP is nothing that is, I think, automatic employment. I don't know the full form, okay, but that is the number of employment that been have been produced in this month in US, and that was massive. Let's see. Uh, okay, for today's calendar, and that was around around 350K, which was double than expected. And as the ADP is increased, so hence I expect that NFP will also be in an increased amount, and hence higher the NFP, lower the gold will go. And as it will be, reverse for the other USD pairs, but especially I'm focusing on gold pairs. So this is the analysis for my gold, and we have 3 minutes the news. Stay tuned, and I would say, okay, don't risk much today, and anything could happen. uh, I could be wrong also. The data could be, below than 200K. If the data is below 200K, then we can see a bullish in gold, but there could be anywhere liquidity hunt, anything. They can, give a spike down. If the data is negative, they're going to give a spike down to collect the liquidity, and definitely they will pump up to 1950. Or otherwise, if the data is, it's too much, they can give a pump up, collect this above liquidity, and they can move down. So anything could happen today. So trade, very cautiously today, and follow the money management at any cost. Okay, if you don't want to risk today, if you have earned a lot for this week, I would recommend stay out of the market for today. Today is not the day to earn. Okay, after the news being released, and I would say, almost after 30 minutes to 1 hour later, you can have a good entry. Okay, have 2 minutes for the data to be released. Let's wait patiently. We have 1 minute, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, anything could happen, so stay very tuned. Don't risk much today, and the data is going to be released. Okay, in 1 minute, few seconds, I might say. And if anyone gets the data before me, just put in the comment section. I think that would ADP, this NFP will be higher than 200k, will be somewhere around 300 and 350k. Definitely, that is to go sell the gold. Oh, oh. For the news, the spike. Okay, that is lower than expected. Buy gold. Buy gold, man. You can see that liquidity hunt. Okay, before the news. Could you see the spike? What I say? If we get a lower number, also there a spike is possible. It got the liquidity, and I believe it should pump up. So I'm in a buy position on gold from here. I have entered 1935. Yeah, I'm in a buy positions. In a buy position from 1935, and if the sell below this low, let's see where we. So today I'm targeting 1950 again, as I said before. If the data is lower, and along with the DP, we have average hourly earnings. It's there is a little difference. There is not much of standard deviation. Okay, and definitely gold is bullish today, and you could see that average hourly earnings is 0.4%. As in the previous, it was 0.4%, which is okay, and the expected was 0.3%, but we got let me show you the calendar. Yeah, see, so the previous was 0.4%, we got 0.4%, but the expected was 0.3. We got a little bit of standard a little bit of deviation, and the expected was 4.2%, we got 4.2%, 4.4%, that is 0.2% deviation. So there is not much of difference, but the main point of focus is that 187k number, which is significantly lower than the expected and then the previous one. Okay. Oh, okay, the previous one was 209k. I don't know how it changed, but it is significantly lower than the previous one. And yeah, I think gold should pump now. Employment, and gold is always a cunt. It can mess up. Okay, it can go for the SL, and yeah, it will definitely kind to my view. Give me a minute, guys. Okay, so yeah, we're back to our topic now, and the gold is again edging lower. I think it is testing the point of interest from where it has given the bullish candle, and I believe from here, yeah, 6 point. uh Again, gold is moving up from here, but keep the SL here below this low. 1929.5. we would be fine. And the target for today is 1952. So once again, as you can see the forecast, I'll minimize the chart. The forecast that was here, the lower the NFP, gold is bullish. Okay, higher NFP, gold is bearish. So you can see that NFP is significantly lower, which is 187K, and the expected was 200K, which is significantly lower. And hence, other the data as I've let you know, early earnings, it is it is the same lag of the previous year, the previous data, and it is there is no much deviation as the expected one. So hence, I think today's most point of focus will be the NFP, and as I forecasted, and the result that the goal is again has tested is entry point, and it's going up. So I think it should, as soon as the high is broken, I expect that it will pump up very fast. And again, the resistance is holding back. You can see the previous day resistance. This was very tough area for gold to broken up in the upside, and again it is massaging around this resistance, and I do believe that it should break the resistance today at least. Yes, today is Friday, along with major data being released. There is no point wait here. Again, stopped at the resistance. What's wrong with the goal? Because today we had so the much more weighted data, and the most one of the most important one, but still pumped, broke this resistance. And okay, I think we have NY sessions New York Stock Exchange open in, I think, 1 hour or 1 hour 30 minutes. That time I think we can expect some liquidity. It is on the way for the breakout, and this is very key level area for me. And if gold breaks this key level, this resistance, either with the news or without the news, I think at least let me see this range. How many pips this is? It is almost around 70 pips. Okay, then it should at least give the double of it. At least 150 40 pips. Uh, that is around this 50 area. If gold manages to break above it, I think sooner this 1950 area will be tapped. And don't forget that whosoever is executing my setup, we are already entered in the buy position from here. Okay, and yeah, we managed to break the resistance, ladies and gentlemen. And yeah, those who is following this setup, okay, already we are running in around, I could say, yeah, 50 plus pips, guys. Around, yeah, that is 55 pips. So I would suggest you go with the break even and book some partial profit. So, ladies and gentlemen, when we broke above this high, and we are running around 70 pips in profit. That's super. See, that's why I love to trade the fundamentals, because you could see the yesterday's range, because on Thursday we had the news, but that was not that much significant change. It was as much as the expected one. Okay, so in market was ranging, and I think the wait was for NFP, and tomorrow also I was bullish, but couldn't gain till this TP. Okay, so we are running around 7 pips. Okay. Wow. Okay, so my target for today is 1952. Let's see how can we achieve this. I don't know why it is not. I'll come here. You guys have any comments for me? Okay. If you have any feedbacks, any doubts, any queries, the comment section is all yours. You could ask me straight away, and I'm all here to answer you. Yeah, so we managed to broke above this resistance, and I think now gold is testing this resistance, and definitely we will reach our target. What a beautiful entry it was. If you have any queries regarding the entry, how I entered this market, as soon as I saw the data was okay. It was not good for USD. It was weak for USD. Hence, gold is going bullish, because uh, the anti the, the predicted market data was to be about to be 200K, which we got around 187K, which is significantly lower, and hence there is less wage Okay, I could say there is less employment in the US market. Less employment means less money flow, and less money flow means uh, less inflation. Hence, there is no interest rate hike coming up according to this NFP. But you see this average hourly earnings, which is almost equal to the previous data. There is not much of deviation. Hence, the more most point of focus for me today was this NFP. Also, we had unemployment rate. There was not of any significant change. There is a deviation of 0.01% for me. So hence, I think, yeah, gold is going up. Okay, here we go. Ladies and gentlemen, if you have made any money with me forecast, if you had any money with my forecast, you have enjoyed watching my stream. Okay, so please press the like button, and if you want learnings like this in the future, and do not forget to join my stream, join my Telegram channel. I'll pin the link in the description below. Don't forget to check it, and definitely you will have so much of points to learn from me, my experience, and from. What a beautiful entry. Definitely there is not much of volatility as of now. Still, New York Stock Exchange is about to open, and I think that will open in another next 1 hour. At that time, you can see a blunder of volatility coming up. Okay, to the gold pair and the other rival USD pairs. So today will be a fun. Once again, guys, today is the weekend. Okay, and don't risk much if today you are done with your daily target profit. If your target profit for the week has been reached, don't risk much today, because today is the weekend, and also we had a major news being released on the USD pair. Anything could happen at the New York Stock Exchange open. Okay, so I think they should go with the break even, or yeah, I'll keep the SL here. Whereas already we are running in a good profit. Was superb entry. Why I have entered here? As the news being released, we got the spike down, and we got the liquidity. As I explained you, if you go back to my stream, I have explained that after the data being positive or negative, we could expect spikes also to collect the liquidity, as the data was negative. Hence, we got the spike before the news release. Liquidity has been collected, and we managed to broke above this resistance, which was uh, terrifying zone for the gold. And I do believe that gold will fly to 50 area definitely soon in the New York Stock Exchange open. So as soon as it collect the liquidity, I'll go down to the 1 minute time frame. I'll show you. Okay, this candle was bullish, and the another second minute candle was bullish. As soon as it I saw this point of interest. Okay, you can see this small red candle over here. This was the point of interest for me. You could say order block, anything. Anything is fine. And from here, I took my entry. Definite. This 1 minute candle was the point of interest for me, as I saw that previously there is a resistance over here, and market broke this resistance. Right? You can see this resistance, 1 minute time frame. This resistance, market broke it. It came to test this resistance along with this 1 minute water block, and soon started be flying. So if you have made any money from my forecast, you have enjoyed watching my video, please subscribe my channel for content like this. In future, I'll come live on news. We are running 94 tangent. Okay. If you have sorry, I got a question from Milad Hussain. Would you take a sell when price reaches 1950 to 52? Okay, let me look to this chart once again. It was, could I take a sell from 1952 area? Okay, that is a good area, I guess. I would say. Could see from the previous technicals. Okay, this is a QM pattern over here. High, and we have here low, 15-minute time frame. So this is a very premium QM setup, as well as a supply area over here, which is still fresh. Definitely, yeah, I'll try to take a sell over there from there, because if we are able to reach this 1952 in the New York Stock Exchange open time, that would be, I would say, around 200 pips move after the NFP data being released, and 200 to 300 pips is enough for a news to move on one side. Definitely, we will get the news retracement or reversal after that, and I'll wait for this area, the prices to reach this area, and on the price action confirmation, I will try to enter on a sell position. Okay, so I hope I have answered your question, Milad Hussain. I will try to enter, but only after the confirmation. Not uh and it okay, without confirmation, no entries. Because today's Friday and we had very important news being released. I won't risk my profits of all week, and definitely I will try to enter after the price action confirmation, and I believe that we will get a good sell around 100 pip sell from here, this 1952 zone. Okay, these are the charts and these are the setups which I have shared in my VIP channel. See, we made 100 pips, 150 pips on this, and I don't know, around more than 100 pips on this. This was Wednesday's ADP data. We made 150 pips. After 30 pips, this was okay. SL hit. I didn't ask them to break even it. And again on tomorrow, it was yesterday's setup. We made around 56 pips on this. I was bullish on gold, but today this is the first setup which I've shared in my VIP. Because I don't want to share any setups, any views before the news being released. Okay, thank you so much. Thanks to you guys, brother, as well. Thanks for joining my channel, and I hope you have learned something valuable from it. What kind of confirmation do you look for? The confirmation I would look for is at least in 3 minute or 1 minute time frame. I would look for a market structure shift or any candlestick pattern. Yeah, that's it. If I get any liquidity sweep, or I could say ICT ABC pattern in 1 minute, if you know the ICT chart pattern, if I see any ABC, I'll draw over here. Suppose the price is raised here, okay, and it made a low, okay, and it swept the liquidities above this high, and it broke this market structure from here. Then again, I'll try to enter from any order block, breaker block, and anything fair value gap from here. I'll target again this resistance. That will be enough for today for me. I think from on Monday we'll get some good setups. This is kind of any confirmation I'll look, or anything in 5 minute, any hammer candlestick pattern, anything. But the most favorite one for me is the market structure shift in 1 minute, or any given pattern in 1 minute. That is a good one for me. Awesome. Thanks for the analysis and sharing. Us. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, brother, for asking, and you wanted to know my view, respected my opinion. Prices started making action. I think after testing this order block here, in prices can. And let's see, here is, you see in 15-minute time frame, there is order block over here. Let's say supply zone, stopping gold, but it hasn't. The price hasn't reached this supply area yet. But changing. Okay, still it hasn't reached the area yet. Okay, so I have shared my views for today, and as today is Friday, new week for the month. Also, we had a very important data being released. So I won't risk much. I had made my profit for today, and I look for sales as I have told you from 52 area. I will not look to this 45 area for sales. Not consider this because I believe that price has the potential to break this and reach this ultimate supply area, the premium zone, and give us a sell. And then from that 52, I'll again target this 40 area more than that. And yeah, with this, thanks for joining my channel. Hope you have enjoyed it. If you have enjoyed watching my channel, please do not forget to like it, and please subscribe my YouTube channel for further content like this in the future. And hope you have a great weekend again. A great weekend. Thanks for joining my channel. Thanks for being there. Signing off. Bye bye.